Today, we dive deep into an intriguing story surrounding a potential UFO sighting that captured global attention. Recently, the Pentagon's investigators presented footage to Congress showcasing an enigmatic silvery object captured by a drone. But could this unidentified object actually be as simple as a party balloon? Let's unravel the layers of this compelling tale in today's video. The Pentagon's UFO investigators presented a video of a spherical, silvery object captured by a drone flying over Syria. Initially perceived as a potential UFO, this footage intrigued audiences worldwide, hinting at extraterrestrial possibilities. An open-source investigation challenged this assumption, suggesting the object was not an otherworldly entity, but a common balloon. The investigation, led by Bellingcat, delved into geolocation and identified the object's apparent size, a mere 16 inches, comparable to a balloon. While the UFO enthusiasts pondered the potential of alien life, experts highlighted skepticism, emphasizing the object's size, possibly indicating it was nothing more than a balloon. Motion parallax was suggested as an explanation for the illusion of the object's movement. Bellingcat's investigation made significant discoveries, aligning the video's date with the last day of Eid al-Adha, a Muslim holiday celebrated with balloons. The investigation brings Occam's razor into play, indicating the simplest explanation: a balloon might be the most plausible. As Bellingcat's thorough investigation draws to a close, the hypothesis of the object being an advanced extraterrestrial craft dwindles. While alien enthusiasts might cling to hope, the evidence strongly suggests a more mundane reality, perhaps just a balloon. In the realm of UFOs, mysteries often persist, leaving room for imagination and speculation. The Pentagon's unresolved UFO may just be a humbler, more earthly object than anticipated. Stay tuned for further updates on such intriguing mysteries in our universe. Whether it's a balloon or a possible visitation, the allure of the unknown continues to captivate us all.